Shamus had 30 minutes. 30 minutes to make the best soup in town.
First place wins this, the golden soup spoon.
He can do this! I know he can!
I hope so. He's been practicing all week.
I just hope he doesn't put pepper in it again!
But Shamus had a lot of competition.
Welcome, chefs. The rules are simple. Make the best soup, the most flavor, the most heart.
Shamus already knew about heart. He had failed many times, but every time he learned something new.
Okay, slow and steady. Just like Pierre taught me.
So far, so good.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Way too salty. 25 minutes left. Could Shamus start over?
He can fix this. He has to.
He can! He can!
Shamus was rushing, and rushing is how mistakes happen.
Okay, slow and steady, just like Pierre taught me. The timer starts. Shamus's focus sharpens. He reaches for the salt with confidence. Time for the carrots, little chef!
Yes, in they go!
Now, stir it well.
Stirring, it smells amazing!
And now, the chicken. Whoa, careful there!
I got it, let's cook!
All right, open the pot. Now the carrots. Rolling it over. Perfect, in it goes.
Shamus stands there frozen, dripping with soup.
Silence!
Cut to rival chefs laughing. One holds his belly, his ears droop, his tail goes still.
Shamus looks down at his apron. Soaked, he starts untying it, about to leave the stage. Music goes quiet, almost silent. Maybe I'm just not a chef.
Wait, Shamus, don't give up.
Remember everything you learned. Every mistake taught you something. And this time, maybe just read the recipe.
The audience laughs warmly.
Shamus laughs too, just a little. Cut to Pierre at the judge's table. He's smiling behind his hand, pretending to look stern. But Shamus is ready for his comeback.
Shamus stopped. For the first time all day, he slowed down. He didn't need to be perfect. He just needed to try again.
Okay, one more time.
And this time, he was ready.
New pot, new water. Shamus slows down. He measures the salt, exactly 1 pinch. He breathes.
He chops carrots slowly, evenly. He hums a tune. The audience leans in, watching. This time, Shamus did something different. He listened to himself. He plucks one leaf, holds it up like treasure. Soupy sneezes, the leaf flies out of his paw. It lands perfectly in the center of the pot. Sometimes the mistakes are the recipe.
Shamus stopped. For the first time all day, he slowed down.
All right, Soupy, let's stir this gently.
You got it, Shamus!
The flavors are coming together.
It's looking perfect!
Great job, team. Okay, one more time. And this time, he was ready.
Ding, ding, ding. Time's up. Shamus puts down his spoon and steps back, paws shaking. Chef Pierre and the 2 other judges walk to Shamus's station.
Pierre lifts the bowl, sniffs deeply. Pierre's mustache twitches. He takes a small spoonful, closes his eyes. Long silence.
Cut to audience holding their breath. Then they open slowly.
Mon Dieu!
Pause. Beat, rehook tension, peak.
Pierre's mustache flips all the way up. He raises both arms.
This is super duper.
Audience explodes.
Seamus can't believe it.
First place, the golden soup spoon goes to Shamus. He did it.
Everyone laughs. They sit together and enjoy the soup.
Seamus didn't win because he was the best. He won because he never gave up. And that is the secret ingredient in everything.
Hi friends! Buy these 3 great books by Gerald J. Roach on Amazon. First, Seamus makes a mess in cooking school. Then, a boy learns about his daddy's green thumb. And don't miss the soup. Subscribe and click the links below.